Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a chart on your CloudTrade platform. Now, CloudTrade is one of our most exciting platforms that we use with over 700 instruments for traders to choose from. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you real quick, easy steps on how to build a chart so you can do the right analysis before placing a trade. So today I'm going to be looking at Apple, and as we can see here on Apple, I'll just click on the chart button and then open my chart on a new tab. So as we can see here, we have the price for Apple on a 1 hour time frame. And now I'm going to be showing you just how to customize it so it can look better to your convenience. All right, so over here in the top right hand corner, we have the option for your time frame. So you can obviously choose from your 1 minute all the way to 1 month. So it obviously differs with regards to your trading style, but this is where you'll actually do it. So I'm going to change this to a 15-minute chart just so I can see how price action has been looking in the last couple of hours. Okay, and one of the things that I'm looking to add is my stochastic. So that's one of my indicators. I'll be looking to add that under studies. All right, this is where we have most of all of our indicators, so you can really just check for which one you prefer using. So I'll just stick here to my stochastics, and there my stochastic has been added. As we can see, prices in between the 80 to 100 level, and I will be looking to trade on from there. Okay, and for those that want to remove indicators, you can click on studies again, and there you will see my MACD and my stochastic. I can just click on the cross to remove both of them, and there my chart is back to normal. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. For more information on our YouTube videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.